Hello children, today's subject is English, Unit 3, Chapter 1, Little by Little in workbook. Question answers. Who is it in the above lands? In the above lands, explaining about oak tree. How will the leaves appear? Little by little the leaves appear. Where will the slender branches spread? The slender branches spread far and wide. Who will become the forest pride? The mighty oak is the forest pride. Multiple choice questions. Acorn is the fruit of an oak tree. And the acorn is growing little by little each day. The acorn every day feeds on dewdrops. A young plant becomes mighty oak tree. Fill in the blanks with the help of the box. A plant grows from a tiny seed. The acorn seed is hidden deep into the earth. The acorn seed sent to out thread like roots. The branches of the mighty oak are slender. Short answers. What is the other word used for little? That is, tiny is the other word used for little. What sprang in the air like a tiny shoot? Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Where did the little acorn slowly sank? The little acorn slowly sank in its mossy bed. And short answers. What things does a seed need to grow? A seed needs water, air and sunshine to grow. How many describing words can you find in this poem? There are 3 describing in the words in the poem. They are tiny, slender and mighty. How does a tiny seed grows into mighty oak tree? Day by day and year by year, a tiny seed grows into mighty oak tree. What message does the poet want to convey us? In our life we can achieve anything when we struggle for that daily. And it is poem, right? Totally poem in this chapter, in this question. Watch, match the following. Sipped and dew, sprang a tiny shot, slender branches, mighty oak. Write the rhyming words of the following words. Bed, led, dew, grew, away, sway, shoot, root, pride, hide, appear, rear. One word in each set does not belong to the group. Circle it. It does not belong to this. Leaves, soil, sunlight. It is belongs to one set, and book is not belongs to this. Mango, people, rose, banyan. These are trees and rose is a plant, so it is circle. Herb, shrub, tree and shelf. These are plants and shelf is not plant. Jasmine, pen, hibiscus, lotus. These are flowers. Pen is not flower. Fill in the blanks with A and or and. She bought a balloon in the fair. Abhi drew on elephant on my birthday card. We saw an alligator in the river. I need a racket and a ball. I saw an intelligent dog in the circus. Can you give me a rose? I ate an orange and a sandwich. Take the correct article in the following sentence. That was one of the best wins for our team. He is an Indian English writer. This is an excuse and not the reality. She was the best student in our class. Go and ask for the help if you do not have the skill to do it. I've been studying for an hour now. Who is the best player in your team? Write the form of this tense against sentence. Sita sings a song. Sings. This is sings verb. Present tense. We are sleeping. This is are. So this is also present tense. Kishan sang a good song. Sang. This is past tense. The child has been crying. Crying is also present tense. Varun will bring sweets for me. Will. So that is future tense.